Are you having trouble with your Samsung Galaxy phone not turning on or responding? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Regardless of the model of your phone, these solutions can be applied to most Galaxy devices. So let's get started. The first step in troubleshooting an unresponsive Samsung Galaxy is to perform a forced restart. This method helps simulate a battery removal and prompts the device to respond. Here's what you need to do. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key simultaneously for 8 seconds or more. Release both keys when the Samsung logo appears on the screen. Allow your phone to continue the boot process. If you see the Samsung logo, that's a positive sign that the problem has been resolved and your device should now function properly. But what if the issue persists? Don't worry, there's another step you can try. It's possible that your phone's battery is drained, causing the unresponsiveness. So what you need to do next is to charge your phone and do the forced restart while it's connected to the charger. Plug the power adapter into a working wall outlet. Connect your phone using the original charging cable. Regardless of whether the phone displays the charging sign, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, press and hold the volume down button and the power key together for 10 seconds or more, while the device is still connected to the charger. If the Samsung logo appears, release both keys and allow the phone to continue the boot process. In most cases, following these steps should be enough to restore your phone's functionality. However, if your Samsung Galaxy still doesn't respond after attempting both the forced restart and charging methods, it's recommended to have it checked by a professional technician or contact Samsung's customer support for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel to show your support. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your Samsung Galaxy.